Alright guys, and today I'm bringing you a little bit of a different version of our usual warm-up videos. This is a 20-minute warm-up carve. I've done these challenge videos before, and usually it's hard for me to get anywhere fast, but I've had lots of practice with these 1-hour videos, and I've been carving a whole lot, and I'd like to see what I can do in 20 minutes now. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using all hand tools, gouges, knives, chisels, and cottonwood bark. But I forgot one thing. I'm only allowed to use one tool. This is it. I don't know if you can see it. Right? Can you see it? Hopefully it's loading. Hopefully it's loading. And because the audio was not recording, of course, I'm going to describe what's happening. So sharpening up the tool on the polishing wheel. And the macaroni tool, which is featured in this video, is nearly 200 years old. It's made by Addis and Co., which is later followed by Addis and Sons, which was, of course, the same company, but carried on by the sons of Addis. And an amazing, renowned tool maker, won the World's Fair in the 1850s and 1860s twice for their metallurgy, I guess, and fantastic tools. Excuse me. So really great to work with, and holds an edge like absolutely no other tool that I've used. I was explaining to someone recently that all the engineering in modern day drop forged tools really can't compete with the ability that these early Sheffield steel tools have in holding an edge. So I'm using this tool. Macaroni tool is just a tool that has a sort of like a V tool, if you're familiar with a V tool, on either side of a flat bottom. So it's just like a flat chisel with sides. It's like the three sides of a rectangle, and they're all sharp. So it's a very handy tool, and when I thought about doing this challenge video with just one tool, I first thought I might use a straight chisel, but instead I decided that I would use something a little bit more useful. So this fit really well. Forgive the auto-focusing here, but yeah, I was amazed at how much I could do with just the macaroni tool, and trying my best in this video to create a carving of a face without using sandpaper, which is something that I would normally do. And usually I would sand a carving, whereas in this case, of course, no sandpaper. So it's pretty rough, literally and figuratively rough. But there's a bit of a natural curve in this particular macaroni tool, and so that did help a lot. And that's that. Calling it a wrap. We were able to get some nice details in this piece for 20 minutes. Satisfied. So thank you guys for watching. Check out my online school of carving, Fundamentals of Wood Carving, in the description below if you want to learn to carve realistic faces in wood. They're not quite this fast, of course, in the videos, but they range from beginner, intermediate, all the way to advanced level portrait carving videos, and how I do what I do. And that's that. Check that out. That's how I make a living, so I appreciate the support. Really wanted to show you that girl, apparently. Alright guys, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.